All right. Settle down. Class is in session. No intro, no fluff. Let's get straight to the alpha. Welcome to the Big Short Club. I'm Chris.
And I'm Morgan. Today we're talking about the new toys, the shiny stuff. How can AI tools actually make your technical research not just faster, but, better? And we're talking proper, grown-up, CMT Level 3 quality here.
Whoa, Marks. Let's not send everyone to sleep with the CMT lingo straight off the bat. Let's break it down Big Short Club style.
Okay.
We're basically asking, can a robot make you a better trader, or is it just a load of hype?
Okay, fair play. But the principle is key. CMT Level 3 isn't about some secret indicator.
Right.
It's about integration. It's seeing the whole chessboard. And AI it's like getting a new pair of glasses that lets you see 10 moves ahead. It's about leveling up from just, drawing lines on a chart.
See? That's a better way of putting it. Look, for years, you lot in the stocks and Forex world, no offense, have been spending decades learning every single pattern. The head and shoulders, the double tops, the surprised badger formation or whatever.
Surprise badger. I'll have to add that to my deck sport.
My point is now you've got AI platforms like a TrendSpider. In crypto, I can literally type into a box, scan for every bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart across the top 20 coins.
Right.
And ping, it's done. The work of a whole weekend done in 5 seconds. How's that for efficiency, eh? Your surprised badgers are going extinct, mate.
Well, that's pattern recognition. And you're right, it's a massive time saver. It's like having 1,000 interns scanning charts for you. But that's just level 1. The real magic, the CMT level thinking, is what you do after the pattern is found.
Okay.
Can you prove that pattern actually makes money?
Go on then, Mr. TradFi. Educate us crypto degens.
Okay. It's about robust backtesting. Any mucket can see a golden cross and think they're a genius. But an AI-powered backtester, that can tell you how that golden cross has actually performed on Euro USD for the last 15 years.
Wow.
Through recessions, through bull runs, through everything. It can test 500 different ways to trade that signal, different stop losses, different take profits, all before you've even finished your cup of tea.
Now that's what I'm on about. It's taking the guesswork and the hopium out of it. In my world, a coin is pumping because a billionaire tweeted a dog picture. I don't have time to manually check if that's a valid long-term strategy. Spoiler, it's not. I need a machine to tell me, "Oi, Chris, this setup you're looking at,
Yeah.
it's had a 68% strike rate with a 3-to-1 risk reward over the last 2,000 times it's appeared." That's an edge.
And that, right there, is the core of it. It separates emotional trading from quantitative trading. You're not just aping in because of FOMO.
Right.
You're taking a calculated risk based on a statistical probability. It turns trading from a punt at the bookies into running the casino.
Yes, the house always wins. So let's name some names. What's in your toolbox, Morgan?
Okay, so there are tiers. For day-to-day scanning, I use tools like AutoChartist. It's a plugin, it's simple, it scans the markets and sends alerts. Potential pennant forming on the FTSE 100. It's an idea generator. It just points the camera in the right direction for you.
And in my world, TrendSpider is the equivalent, but on steroids. It does the automatic trend lines, the pattern recognition, but the mad part is their AI strategy lab. You can literally just write in plain English, "Build me a swing trade strategy for Bitcoin using RSI and the MACD on the daily chart."
Wow.
And it will go away, test thousands of combinations, and just present you with back-tested strategies. It's literally inventing recipes for you.
And that's the gateway to the really heavy-duty stuff, the top tier.
Okay.
Platforms like Quant Connect. Now, this isn't for the faint of heart. You probably need a bit of coding knowledge, maybe some Python, but this is where you become the architect.
Build a bot workshop, my favorite.
Exactly. This is the full CMT Level 3 integration in practice. You can build a system that trades based on multiple, unrelated factors. You can write code that says, Rule 1, only look for longs if the US dollar index is in a downtrend. That's your intermarket analysis.
Okay.
Rule 2, check the news sentiment for the S&P 500 and make sure it's not extreme fear. That's your behavioral finance input.
Right.
Rule 3, only if those two are true, then start scanning for my specific buy setup on Apple stock.
Brute, that is insane. So the AI is acting like a proper portfolio manager. It's not just looking at one chart in a vacuum. It's looking at the whole economic picture, market sentiment, and the chart pattern all at once.
Yeah?
My brain can't even handle my portfolio and my Twitter feed at the same time without having a meltdown.
A human can't process that many variables in real time. It's impossible. You might do it at the end of the week for a report, but an AI does it every second. It's about building a truly robust system that accounts for the interconnected nature of markets, which is the entire point of advanced technical analysis.
Right, but let's hit him with the reality check. We're not selling snake oil here. This isn't a magic money printer, is it?
No,
You can't just buy a subscription, flick a switch, and plan your retirement in Dubai.
absolutely not. And that's the biggest misconception. Think of it like a sat-nav. The old way was getting out a massive paper map, figuring out the route, looking at road signs. That's manual TA. The AI is the sat-nav. It calculates the fastest route, it warns you about traffic jams ahead, market volatility. But you, the trader, still have to drive the car.
You still have to execute. You still have to manage your risk. And most importantly, you have to not be an idiot. Because if you type a stupid destination into the sat-nav,
Yep.
it will guide you perfectly to the wrong place.
Garbage in, garbage out.
100%. If your core trading idea is flawed, the AI will just help you build a very sophisticated, beautifully back-tested, flawed strategy. It can't give you market intuition or experience.
No. It can't tell you that the CEO of the company you're about to long is a complete fraud. You still have to do your own due diligence.
It's like giving a 17-year-old the keys to a Lamborghini. The potential is massive,
Right.
but the chance of them wrapping it around a lamppost is also extremely high. You need to respect the power of the tool.
Exactly. The smart way to use it is as a superpowered research assistant. Use it to validate your own ideas. Use it to find opportunities you might have missed. Use it to stress test your risk management.
Yeah,
But at the end of the day, you are the portfolio manager. You press the buy and sell button. The responsibility is yours.
so the big takeaway is this. AI isn't here to take your job as a trader. It's here to take away the rubbish parts of the job. The endless scanning, the manual backtesting, the second guessing. It frees up your brain power to focus on what actually matters. Developing a solid thesis, managing your risk, and not panicking when the market moves against you.
It elevates your role from being a simple chartist to being a system architect.
Ooh.
And that, right there, is the mental leap from basic TA to that professional integrated CMT level 3 way of thinking.
System architect. Mate, I'm 100% putting that on my Hinge profile. Guaranteed to work. All right, that's us for today. Proper alpha, I hope. Now, get in the chat group, the link's down below. If you're signing up to a new sex, do us a favor and use our ref link to say thank you. Hop in the group and have a laugh with us.
We'll catch you in there. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. As these AI tools get smarter and more accessible, do you think they will eventually solve the markets by identifying every edge, or will they just create a new, more complex level of competition where the battle is between algorithms, not people? Chew on that one. See you next time.